Hello student, in previous lecture we have studied the reactions of metal with acid. Today I will teach to you the next point in this chapter is the reactions of metal with acids. You know that the reactivity of metal is depends upon the number of electron present in the last cell or valence cell. If the metal having the less number of electron in the last cell, then the metals are more reactive. And if the last cell contains the large valence electron, then they are less reactive. It means that all first A group metal is highly reactive, sodium, potassium, etc. Then the second A group like magnesium, calcium, etc. You see here in this property, the magnesium metal is more reactive than aluminium. Aluminium metal more reactive than zinc, and zinc is more reactive than iron with acids. This is the order of reactivity of metal with acids. It means that magnesium metal is fastly react with dilute acids. For example, where magnesium metal is react with a dilute hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride salt, and hydrogen gas is involved here. Here magnesium chloride form, and which gas is involved? Hydrogen gas is involved. Large amount of hydrogen gas is involved when the magnesium react with acids. Remember one important point, because magnesium is highly reactive. Second reaction of hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid with aluminium. Aluminium metal is less reactive than magnesium with dilute hydrochloric acid. It reacts with hydrochloric acid to form aluminium chloride AlCl3 and liberate the hydrogen gas again. Understand? Next, third example, when zinc also react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride salt and again liberate the hydrogen gas. Fourth metal is the iron. Iron is also react with dilute hydrochloric acid to form ferrous chloride, FeCl2, ferrous chloride, and liberate the hydrogen gas again. It means that whenever the metal is react with hydrochloric acid to form its corresponding chloride salt and liberate which gas? Hydrogen gas. Second example, sulfuric acid. When magnesium metal is react with dilute sulfuric acid, means H2SO4, it form a magnesium sulfate salt, again liberate the hydrogen gas. It means that all these metals react with sulfuric acid to form its sulfate salt and liberate the hydrogen gas. But remember, nitric acid not liberate the hydrogen gas, it liberates the nitrous oxide, nitrogen dioxide, or nitric oxide. The liberation of gas depends upon the concentration of nitric acid. Last example, for example, copper. Copper is react with concentrated nitric acid. Nitric acid means HNO3. It form a copper nitrate salt, liberate the nitrogen dioxide NO2, and water molecule is formed. If you take the dilute nitric acid, when copper, same metal, copper is react with dilute nitric, it is a concentrated. If you take the dilute nitric acid, then it form again copper nitrate plus nitric oxide NO and water molecule is formed again. It means that the liberation of gas depends upon the concentration of nitric acid. If you take the concentrated nitric acid, it form a nitrogen dioxide. If you take dilute nitric acid, liberate the nitric oxide. I understand. Question may be asked in the examination. Write the balanced chemical equation of the following. When magnesium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, zinc is reacted with dilute hydrochloric acid, or copper is reacted with concentrated nitric acid, copper is reacted with dilute nitric acid. It means you remember one important point. Whenever the metal is react with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, the liberated gas is hydrogen gas. How will you conclude that the liberated hydrogen gas do this activity? First, take the test tube, take the zinc granules in the test tube, then fix the gas derivative with the help of rubber cork and dip the another end of the gas derivative in the soap solution and add small quantity of hydrochloric acid and fix the rubber cork. After a few minutes, hydrochloric acid react with zinc granules and liberate the hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is passed through this gas derivative in the soap solution and to form a bubbles of soaps. If you keep the burning candle near to this soap bubble, then this bubble is burned with a pop sound. It means that the liberated gas is a hydrogen gas, because what is the property of hydrogen? Hydrogen gas itself burn with a pop sound or cracking sound. This property is this is the property of hydrogen gas. It means that whenever the metal is reacted with hydrochloric acid, it liberates the hydrogen gas. Thank you.